Welcome to this session on confirming production orders in SAP. In this lesson, you'll learn how to navigate to the production order confirmation screen, enter completion details for a production order, post actual production quantities, and trigger related goods movements automatically. Production order confirmation is a critical step in the manufacturing process. It not only records the quantities produced but also updates inventory, triggers financial postings, and completes production reporting within SAP. Let's see how this works in a real world example at Pepsi. Imagine a Pepsi bottling facility producing a large batch of promotional beverage bottles for a national campaign. Once the production team finishes the batch, the planner or shift supervisor uses SAP to confirm the production order. They enter the quantity produced, finalize the operation activities, and trigger the goods receipt posting automatically. This confirmation updates inventory balances, moves the newly produced stock into quality inspection or unrestricted use, and ensures that labor and material costs are recorded against the production order. Across Pepsi's global operations, accurate production confirmations ensure seamless tracking of manufacturing progress, real-time inventory visibility, and precise financial reporting, supporting better decisions across production, sales, and finance departments. Now think about your own production environment. Are production orders confirmed promptly after operations are completed? Could better confirmation practices improve inventory visibility, material costing, or production reporting? Let's get started and walk through how to confirm production orders effectively in SAP. Let's begin by learning how to enter a production order confirmation in SAP. Production order confirmation is a crucial step that records completed production activities. It updates quantities produced, labor efforts, goods movements, and overall production progress, ensuring that SAP reflects the real-world status of manufacturing. To start, navigate to the Enter Production Order confirmation screen. From the SAP Easy Access screen, carefully follow this navigation path. First, click on Logistics. Inside Logistics, select Production. Within Production, go to Shop Floor Control. Under Shop Floor Control, click on Confirmation. And finally, choose Enter for Order. This path leads you directly to the transaction where production activities are confirmed and goods receipts are triggered. Alternatively, you can type CO15 into the command field at the top of the screen and press Enter. Transaction CO15, it is SAP's standard shortcut for entering production order confirmations. Once the Enter Production Order confirmation initial screen appears, you'll need to enter the production order number you wish to confirm. In the production order field, type in the production order number. This links your confirmation directly to the correct manufacturing instruction. After entering the number, press Enter to continue. You are now inside the confirmation of production order. Enter actual data screen. Here, you'll set the confirmation parameters. Select the Final Confirmation radio button. This option tells SAP that production for this order is complete and no further confirmations are expected for the remaining operations. After selecting Final Confirmation, click Save to post the confirmation. When you post the confirmation, SAP triggers a linked goods movement transaction automatically. This posts the goods receipt for the finished product into quality inspection stock, assuming your material master is configured for quality management during receipt. SAP updates stock levels, creates accounting entries, and marks the production order as having progressed to the next stage. Next, let's review the updates on the production order. After posting, it's important to review the updates made to the production order. To do this, navigate to the Display Production Order screen. From the SAP Easy Access screen, follow this path. First, click on Logistics. Then open production. Go to shop floor control. Under shop floor control, click on order. And finally, choose display. Alternatively, you can enter CO03 into the command field and press enter. Transaction CO03 is SAP's standard shortcut for displaying production orders. Once the display production order, initial screen appears, re-enter the production order number if it's not already populated. Click enter to proceed. Now verify the updated statuses. Look for the status DLV, meaning delivered. This confirms that the production activities have been completed and that the finished goods have been received into inventory. Also, confirm that the delivered quantity matches your expectations based on production planning. The delivered status indicates successful production execution, goods receipt, and availability of finished goods for further processing or sales. Next, let's verify whether all required components have been properly issued and consumed. From the order display screen, click on Component Overview. Alternatively, you can navigate through the menu bar by selecting Go to Overviews Components. On the Component Overview screen, locate the specific component you want to check. For example, RB1. Click on Component Detail to open its detailed view. In the Component Detail view, confirm that the withdrawal quantity equals the planned quantity. This indicates that the material was completely issued and consumed during production. Confirming component consumption ensures that materials were handled properly during manufacturing, supporting accurate inventory management and cost tracking. Click back to return to the order header. Finally, let's review the actual production costs associated with the order. From the order header screen, go to Costs Analysis. Here, SAP displays a detailed breakdown of the actual production costs, including goods issues for components consumed, time confirmations for labor, miscellaneous overheads, goods receipt postings. Review the costs carefully. Comparing actual costs to planned costs allows financial controllers and production managers to monitor efficiency and identify variances early. Once finished reviewing, click Exit to leave the costs analysis report. Then click Exit again to return fully to the SAP Easy Access screen. Great work completing this walkthrough on confirming production orders in SAP. You've now learned how to navigate to the confirmation screen using transaction CO15, enter production quantities, perform a final confirmation, and trigger goods movement postings automatically. Production confirmation is a vital step that bridges physical manufacturing activities with SAP's digital records. It ensures that material movements, labor costs, and operational activities are accurately reflected in real time, supporting supply chain visibility, financial transparency, and production performance monitoring. Let's revisit our Pepsi example. Whether producing new snack varieties for a promotional launch or scaling up beverage production for a peak season, Pepsi's teams rely on timely production confirmations in SAP to track outputs, manage inventory accurately, and report manufacturing results reliably across plants. Now reflect on your own operations. Are confirmations posted accurately and immediately after production? Could improving confirmation timing and completeness help your organization reduce delays, improve cost tracking, or optimize production planning? By mastering production order confirmations, you are helping close the loop between manufacturing operations and enterprise reporting, building a stronger, more agile production system. Keep practicing. You're strengthening a critical SAP production execution skill.